Since 1978, IPC has become the leader in providing high-quality coatings to protect service equipment in some of the harshest environments in the world. Our impeccable reputation is based on our high-quality products, depth of experience, and quality assurance, and it's the reason why we are one of the top coating providers in Western Canada. At IPC, our sandblasting services are essential to our coating process, effectively removing paint, rust, and impurities to prepare the metal surfaces of your equipment for a flawless finish. By adhering to the SSPC-SP standard for white metal blast cleaning, we ensure the highest level of service cleanliness, enhancing adhesion and durability for every project. While there is a wide range of abrasives available today, our team exclusively uses Garnet because of the clear advantages it offers our clients. Garnet's unmatched hardness removes old coatings and impurities effectively without harming surfaces. This allows surfaces to be prepared thoroughly, improving how well coatings stick. Garnet's varied particle sizes allow for a wide range of uses, from heavy-duty removal to the fine finishing. This reduces the risk of reactions and ensures safety for both operators and surfaces. Garnet is also cost-effective, aligning with IPC's dedication to offering value without compromising quality. In addition to offering a superior abrasive product, our state-of-the-art dust collecting system sets our sandblasting services apart. This advanced technology ensures a contamination-free environment while protecting the integrity of our coatings and maintaining a clean, safe workspace for our team. Finally, our experienced operators, each with over a decade in the industry, bring precision and proven skill to every project, ensuring meticulous surface preparation every time. Need sandblasting or coating support for your next project? Our facility can handle components up to 35 feet in length, meeting diverse design requirements with efficiency and precision. By offering the highest quality products, a superior dust collecting system, a proven process, and a highly skilled team of professionals, IPC has become the preferred sandblasting choice for companies around the world. To learn more, visit our website at www.ipccoatings.com.